everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well. If you are new here, my name is Celine, and today's video we are at Goodwood Festival of Speed 2026. What a backdrop to start this vlog at Goodwood House. How insane is that? Literally so excited to be here. Adam is of course with me. It's been an absolute dream to come here today. Like, I've always wanted to come to Goodwood Festival of Speed, so I'm very excited. We got here very early for when the doors open at 7 AM. It's going to be a gorgeous day today, and I'm literally so excited for all the cars, all of the excitement, and to see all the stands and everything that Goodwood is about. I'm just so excited to bring you along. So let's go for our first ever Goodwood Festival of Speed, the first of many. Okay, very sunny, but I thought I'd give you a outfit of the day. I'm wearing a full Holland Cooper outfit, so the Holland Cooper Winchester shirt, tan belt, denim shorts, and then going comfortable with the retro trainers. So they're going to last very well today because my feet get very sore, so I'm going to be nice and comfortable in these. And then sunglasses are Jimmy Choo, and then trusty Fairfax and Favour top micro, top panel bag in tan. So I'm very excited, so let's go.
Have a sit.
Ooh! Look at the infotainment system. Lovely interiors, I won't lie. I'm not sticking it in drive. That is so cool. We're just in the Renault stand, and I'm just wondering what this is. Is it a bin? Is it an umbrella stand? Could do all of that. Yeah, there's a surfboard in here as well. Is what I was just saying. Renault full electric. Look how there's a surfboard sticking out. No? Yeah? Yeah. Oh, they're over there. They've got hats on. How funny. Oh gosh, look at this. This is fascinating. these aren't in the UK yet, but how insane does that look inside? I haven't even told you what it is yet.
So you notice I kept looking at your shirt. I thought it said Holland and Holland.
No, Holland Cooper.
And the reason I kept looking is because, have you ever heard of Holland and Holland? Have you ever heard?
Yeah.
So they're quite known for their Range Rovers in the back with the cabinets and everything.
Yeah.
And the reason why I say that is because, and I went to mention it, I didn't say anything because I realised it didn't say Holland and Holland. In the back, we've done a very simple
I just noticed that. I was
like,
wow.
Really sensitive. So there's a lot of things in there.
That's so cool. Oh, that's very posh.
So I'm sorry if you notice me looking. It's like what's describing it here? But Holland and Holland's that kind of sort of thing. This is very much a take on Range Rover.
Yeah.
It's actually a bit more of a take on Rolls Royce.
I literally just said that. Yeah, it looks like a Rolls Royce.
So in China this will cost you about $190,000 roughly. But there's a motor on every single wheel. It's got 1,000 miles.
Oh my god.
Anyway, I'll leave you to it. I'm sorry. I just thought I'd mention that.
Excited, thank you. I was a chap that was just telling us about the car in over in Denver, but these aren't in the UK yet. What are these called, babe? Is this the Yangwang one? What is it? Yeah, Yangwang. Yeah, basically like a Range Rover and a Rolls Royce in one. That is so cool. Is it closed bit? That's so cool. How cool. I always get concerned when I sit on the Range Rover one. I feel like it's going to fall off. But it is old, so the one I have. How cool is that, the big screen? That looks sick. It's all like suede. Lovely.
Suede.
Oh, suede? I thought it was suede.
You said suede.
Did I? I'll have to play that back and check it. What did he say? They're fingerprint sensitive. Is that a little charger in there? Yeah. That is so cool. They want a fancy new car, but it's not available yet in the UK, but we all know that they are going to be.
Somebody should sit on it.
Oh wow. Imagine one of them at Royal Ascot in car park 1. What, inside? I think it's pretty cool. It is massive. It is giving Range Rover and Rolls Royce in one though. So this is the Yangwang U8 out. And then you've got this car here that's only 30 made in the world at the moment. So if you couldn't already tell, we're on the BYD stand, then you've got Denza and Yangwang all on one. There's so many like 4x4. This one looks like a Defender. Let's have a look inside. Loving the style of this. Let's see if the boot opens. Does it open? Ooh. Oh my gosh! Oh, it's taken off. Taking me with it. That is a massive door. Good size. This one also reminds me of an Escalade with the American cars. It's pretty cool. You're still playing with the seats, don't you? Loving all the different designs and the trims and everything. It's like Matt Watson would say, scratchy. This is the new Denza car that was shown on Thursday. This is a brand new car company from what the guy was telling us as well. It looks so cool. So this is the new BYD Shark that was released this week as well. We're going to go on the little, I say little, it's quite big, experience outside, so let's go do that. Quite a queue to wait to go on, so I thought we'll just go and have a look at it instead. This is very much like the Defender experience you get at Burley, minus the water. It's very similar. So I have done something like this before, but just so you can see how cool this new car is. The Denza's on there as well. This looks like the new Defender that's coming out. It looks very nice, but you know what the price tag is? Hold your breath.
My son. Fine.
Oh my God.
My son. Yeah. I'm the trial.
It's beautiful, but spenny.
What this facility is just giving us to do
my favourite
is
stuff.
really tune the active systems on the car, so for somebody driving up to the outside, somebody driving in really, really hectic conditions, the car is always underneath you, forcing you.
There's even a screen at the top, in the back even.
I'm opening it.
Yeah. Oh, this is next level luxury of a car. This one is a bit of me. Little flat colour. If money was no object. Wow. You're not going in it?
Yeah, babe, sorry.
So it's only 9:30 and it's getting really warm already. So we're just going to have a little look around the shop. Oh, is he? Oh, that's our local artist, Pop Bankala from Fargo Village. Used to have a shop in there in Coventry. That's where we're from. We're going to have a little look around the shops before the show starts at 10, no doubt. So yeah, it's so busy already. Definitely recommend getting here at 7 AM for when it opens if you are going to come next year. It's a lovely colour. Urban pickup truck. I don't know how I feel about that. That looks nice. Carbon fibre on it. Let's go look around the front of it. Another one in black. Okay, I like the seats in that. How much are they? Oh, it's just a prototype. The inside though. Looks nice. I'm just getting a spot of breakfast just for my baked bird. I'm going to get some crispy hash browns from the veggie box. And then Adam's got a bacon batch from another stand. And we're going to go and sit in the shade because it is so warm already and it's only like, what, 9:45, I think? So warm. 5 to 10 already. Yeah? Taking you back, babe. Your bike days.
Yeah, I used to like this. Oh, I'd be the same. You still have to turn it off now.
If you want, that's absolutely free. You get experience to see what it's like.
Oh, this looks nice.
95, 95. Sir, you can't stop now. I was enjoying that. It's 95 here, mate. It's with you. Don't bid against yourself. Here, 100. There we go. 100. And 5, 105. Are you bidding against each other?
Been looking for this all day. Yeah. Yeah. This reminds me when we went to, where was it, Belgium? Brussels.
The Valentino Rossi journey. Yeah. What do you think of Valentino and Lando having a little...
Sat in the tiniest bit of shade that we could find with a halloumi gyros. We're going to enjoy this. We are exhausted. We've done like 20,000 steps. We've been here for like 7 hours and we're literally covered in dust at this moment. So we're going to eat this now and then carry on. I just had a firework display. What do you know? I missed it. And just like that, we are back home, showered, I've washed my hair. Oh my gosh, the dust at Goodwood this year was literally next level. The dust was everywhere. I mean everywhere. So I'm so glad that we're home and I had a shower. But I wanted to share with you before I sign off this vlog some freebies that we actually got throughout the event. So Hunter's Prestige had loads of goodies going on. So we got a hat, me and Adam did each, and that honestly saved the day because the sun was next level and there was hardly any shade. So these really came in handy. So very grateful for them. And then whoever followed them on Instagram got a free t-shirt. So we got a free t-shirt each. So it says Hunter's Prestige on the front. Now wait for the back. This looks pretty cool. How cool is that? It's got a Defender on it. That is so us. If anyone's new here, me and my partner Adam really love cars, and I drive a Range Rover Vogue L322. It's super old, it's like an 04 plate, and I love it. It's such a classic. And also a Peugeot 206, which I have had for 8 years. It's my first car. I just can't let go of it. I just love it. It's so good on fuel. Brilliant on MPG. It's slow as hell, it hates hills, but it's great. It gets me from A to B. But I love the Range Rover as well. So I love old cars. If you love all things English countryside life and slow living, then please do stick around and subscribe. I know this video is very different to what I normally do, but because I just love cars, and we were very kindly invited to go to Goodwood this year to Festival of Speed by the amazing press team and BYD, so very grateful for that. And yeah, it was a really, really good day. Definitely recommend going, but I've already seen that 2027 is sold out with tickets. I don't know if that's right or not, but when I looked it said sold out for next year already. I'm like, how? Do you know what I mean? But that's wild. But it's such a big event. It honestly was such good fun, but it was just so warm. That was the only thing. It was just that little bit cooler, like 23, 24 wouldn't be so bad, but it was genuinely so hot. But yeah, they're the freebies we got, and we also got a free tote bag, which was downstairs somewhere, and a keyring, which is pretty cool, and a Mercedes AMG. They also did driver passes, and I got one. How cool is that? Adam got one as well, and it has this on the back. They basically, you took a picture, did your details, and the AI transforms you into a driver. How cool is that? Absolutely love it. And the lanyard. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I actually seen it on TikTok that you can get these before we went. So definitely hit up TikTok before you go to Festival of Speed and get like all the best tips. But honestly, so good. Really good day. And we've literally come home, 3-hour drive, and we have packed because tomorrow morning we're going for a flight to Dublin. So the next vlog, I will see you in Dublin for my birthday, which is super exciting. So it's a very much a quick turnaround. So we've repacked. I'm literally just gonna edit this vlog, go to bed, and I'll see you in Dublin. So if you have enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below Dublin if you reached the end of this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you are new around here, please do stick around and subscribe. We do some car content here. We've been to the Nürburgring, I filmed that. That is a separate vlog. We went to Goodwood members meeting, and we do quite a lot of different car things on my channel, but they're not that often. They're a bit sporadic, so I do understand if you guys aren't quite into that. But if you do like the sound of English countryside life and slow living, please do stick around and subscribe. I'm talking way too quick for my brain to keep up with how today went, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do stick around and subscribe, and I'll see you very, very soon for a brand new video. Bye bye. Why am I still holding this hanger?